Hey guys, this is Amit and you are watching Tech Dad. In this video, we are going to compare between Poco M3 Pro versus Oppo F19 and we will discuss which one is better in camera, performance, display, body of the devices, features, communication chips and about the prices. In the end of the video, I will tell you which one is better according to me. So watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Let the comparison start with the camera of the devices. Talking about the rear camera of the devices, M3 Pro have triple camera setup, 48 megapixel of wide camera, 2 megapixel of macro camera and 2 megapixel of depth sensor. Whereas F19 also comes with triple camera setup, 48 megapixel of wide camera, 2 megapixel of macro camera and 2 megapixel of depth sensor. So it's a tie because both of the devices have same camera sensors. And about the front camera of the devices, M3 Pro have 8 megapixel of wide camera, whereas F19 have 16 megapixel of wide camera. So the winner here is F19 because it have 16 megapixel of wide camera which can take low noisy photos in low light condition. Let's talk about the camera features of the devices. M3 Pro have dual LED flash, HDR and panorama, whereas F19 have LED flash and panorama. So the winner here is M3 Pro because it have dual LED flash and HDR. And about the video recording options in the devices, M3 Pro can shoot Full HD video max at 30 fps and F19 can shoot Full HD video max at 30 fps. So it's a tie because both of the devices can record at the same fps. Moving to the performance of the devices, let's start with the operating system of the devices. M3 Pro have Android 11 support. On the other side, F19 also have Android 11 support. So it's a tie. And about the user interface of the devices, M3 Pro have MIUI, whereas F19 have ColorOS. So it's a tie because both of the devices have different UI. So it's up to you which UI you like it or not, it's up to you. Let's talk about the processor of the devices. M3 Pro is powered by Dimensity 700 5G based on 7nm processor, whereas F19 is powered by Snapdragon 662 based on 11nm processor. So the winner here is M3 Pro because it have faster processing speed. And about the GPU of the devices, M3 Pro is packed with Mali G57, whereas F19 is packed with Adreno 610. So the winner here is M3 Pro because it can give you more FPS in games. Let's talk about the clock speed of the devices. M3 Pro can clock at 2.2 GHz based on octa-core Cortex chipset, whereas F19 can clock at 2.0 GHz based on octa-core Creo chipset. So the winner here is M3 Pro because it have faster clock speed. And about the RAM variants in the devices, M3 Pro have two RAM variants, 4 and 6 GB, whereas F19 only have 6 GB of RAM variant. So clearly the winner here is M3 Pro because it have high speed of RAM. Let's talk about the internal storage of the devices. M3 Pro comes with two storage options, 64 and 128 GB. On the other side, F19 have only 128 GB of storage. So the winner here is M3 Pro because it have multi-storage option and it have faster read and write speed. And about the external storage of the devices, M3 Pro have dedicated card slot, whereas F19 also have. So it's a tie. Moving to the display features of the devices. Let's start with the display size of the devices. M3 Pro have 6.5 inches of display. On the other side, F19 also have 6.43 inches of display. So it's a tie because both of the devices have approximately the same display size. And about the screen to body ratio of the devices, M3 Pro have approximately 83.7%, whereas F19 have 84.4%. So again, it's a tie because both of the devices have approximately the same ratio. Let's talk about the screen resolution of the devices. M3 Pro comes with Full HD Plus display. On the other side, F19 have Full HD Plus display too. So it's a tie here. And about the display type of the devices, M3 Pro have IPS LCD display having 90Hz of refresh rate, whereas F19 have AMOLED display. So the winner here is M3 Pro because it can give you high frame rate in games. Moving to the body features of the devices, let's start with the thickness of the devices. M3 Pro have 8.9 mm of thickness, whereas F19 have 8.0 mm of thickness. So the winner here is F19 because it have slimmer body. Talking about the weight of the devices, M3 Pro comes with 190 grams of weight, whereas F19 have 175 grams of weight. So the winner here is F19 because it have lighter body weight. And about the protective glass of the devices, M3 Pro have Gorilla Glass 3, whereas F19 also have Gorilla Glass 3. So it's a tie. And about the build quality of the devices, M3 Pro have plastic back with plastic frame, whereas F19 also have plastic back with plastic frame. So it's a tie because both of the devices have same build quality. And about the SIM options in the devices, both of the devices have dual nano SIM support, so it's a tie. Moving to some of the most important features of the devices, let's start with the fingerprint scanner of the devices. M3 Pro have side mounted fingerprint scanner. On the other side, F19 have under display fingerprint scanner. So the winner here is M3 Pro because it have faster scanner. And about the sensors in the devices, M3 Pro have accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity and compass, whereas F19 also have accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity and compass. So it's a tie. Let's talk about the battery capacity of the devices. M3 Pro have 5000 mAh of battery capacity, whereas F19 also have 5000 mAh of battery capacity. So clearly it's a tie because both of the devices have same battery capacity. Let's talk about the charging speed of the devices. M3 Pro have 18 watts of fast charging, whereas F19 also have 33 watts of fast charging. So the winner here is F19 because it can charge up your device faster. Let's talk about the loudspeaker of the devices. M3 Pro comes with normal speakers, whereas F19 have normal speakers too. So it's a tie. And about the headphone jack of the devices, M3 Pro have 3.5 mm of headphone jack, whereas F19 also have. So it's a tie. Moving to the communication chips in the devices, starting with the WLAN of the devices. Both of the devices comes with Wi-Fi AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi direct and hotspot. So it's a tie. And about the Bluetooth version of the devices, M3 Pro have 5.1 generation of Bluetooth, whereas F19 have 5th generation of Bluetooth. So the winner here is M3 Pro because it have newer generation of Bluetooth. Let's talk about the positioning chips in the devices. M3 Pro have AGPS, GLONASS, Galileo and BDS, but F19 have AGPS, GLONASS, Galileo and BDS too. So it's a tie. And about the USB connectivity of the devices, M3 Pro comes with 2nd gen of Type-C connector, whereas F19 also have 2nd gen of Type-C connector, but it have OTG support. So the winner here is F19 because it have OTG support. Moving to the price of the devices in the international market, starting range of M3 Pro is around $180, whereas F19 is available from $200. In the Indian market, M3 have starting range from 16,000 rupees, whereas F19 is available from 19,000 rupees. So the conclusion of the video is, in the camera it's a tie, in the performance the winner is M3 Pro, in the display the winner is M3 Pro, in the body segment the winner is F19, in the features of the device the winner is F19, in the communication chips it's a tie, and about the prices the winner is M3 Pro. So the decision is totally yours. Which device you like the most so far? Let me know in the comment below. What do you think, which device is better for you? So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like our content, please like our video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Comment what you thought in the comment below. If you're watching this video on Facebook, please like our page TechDad. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, here's my Instagram ID on the screen. This is Amit and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.